this video, I'm going to quickly go over the different ways that I've been using this cordless leaf blower that the brand has sent me to test out. I live in a city, so I don't have a huge backyard and I don't have a garage. So I don't have a lot of storage space for yard equipment. I like that this is compact and doesn't take up a lot of space. And yet it's still powerful enough that I can really very quickly move off dirt and debris from my front steps and my back patio. It has an adjustable power setting, so you're not locked into just a low or a medium or high. You can use just the amount that you need. At the highest power setting, you will use one of the batteries in about 15 minutes. But this comes with two rechargeable batteries and a recharging cord. So you can always have one charging while you're using the other one. I really like that this is so lightweight and easily can operate it using just one hand. I don't have to worry about hauling around a huge leaf blower that I really don't need. And it also comes with two different tube extensions, a short one and a longer one. So you don't have to be worried about bending over constantly to move a bunch of dirt and debris. It's not going to move a bunch of wet leaves, but it is still powerful enough that you can move dried leaves, dirt and debris, and even dry your car if that's what you want to do. Now, the extensions are very easy to switch out. You simply put it into the notches and then twist it slightly, and it snaps really securely in place. I'm showing you here just how powerful this compact leaf blower is. I'm about 15 to 10 feet away from the wooded area, and it's still able to move the branches and the leaves on the trees in front of me. It does a great job at really clearing off all the dirt and debris and drying my cushions after a really heavy rainstorm. I borrowed a neighbor's turbo leaf blower to see what the difference is. And it did move a pile of wet leaves, but it was also really big. It was heavy, hard to manage, and I don't have the storage space for it. So for my needs, I really like this compact, powerful handheld leaf blower. Thanks for watching. You can buy this using the links below. And if you thought this review was helpful, please click like and subscribe to my channel for more reviews. If you already have this item, leave a comment and let me know what you think about it.